start.
My name is Shimi. So I work as a senior engineer for Honeywell Technology Solutions Lab. So I was here today to attend the Straino's innovation workshop. So this would be my feedback for the day. So the first question is like, I did attend the innovation workshop today, so how was the experience? So my answer was like, it's good. And I would say it was short and informative because it was like for a day. And I think it's pretty informative for a day's training session. And if,
One word you have to describe, what would that be?
Oh yeah, I would say it's informative. That would be my keyword because for such a short session to be so informative, I think is a real challenge. So I think he's done a really good job doing that. And the next one about the workshop, things that can be changed. I think it was pretty good. I mean, I really couldn't change much better because I would have thought we could have put in more workshops, work activities, but it really consumed more time. And for an 8-hour session, I think he did a pretty good job of at least putting in 3 quality assignments. So I think people did the best of it and they enjoyed it too. So that's the best thing.
Okay.
And one thing about the workshops I enjoyed the most was definitely the customer interaction. So that's when like you would have a real world understanding of what they perceive about what you actually learned. So it's more like a feedback of what you understood and how people perceive it. And the next one, what I would change or improve about this workshop, I would say the one thing I would change is like I would have had bigger groups attend this session because the bigger the groups, the more ideas you would generate. And for groups working in like, right today we had like 5 and 6. So if you had groups of like 10 and 20, you would have better more ideas, and then you could actually see the leaders like in those groups who actually take up the initiative, and then a more of a role playing would have been seen. But that's okay too. But I mean, for that would be one of the improvement points.
Okay.
So what I would recommend for the workshops, definitely, I think it's inspiring too. So I think it will inspire my friends as well. And a day session is not too much to ask for, so most people should be willing to attend such a session. And if I were to explain the trainer in one word, I would say it's really descriptive. That's what I think I really liked about it because he really took the time to explain what slides he had, and most of the slides did make sense. So he didn't have unnecessary number of slides just to show he had a lot of information. All the information was short, crisp, and informative. So I really appreciate that fact about the whole training.
So, what would be your takeaway from this?
My takeaway, because I was in today, like I said at the beginning of the session, I was in today to know if I really had an idea how I would have like gone about making money for it. But that's my end goal. So for me, the key takeaway is how to realize the idea and how innovation could really be used to make a business out of this whole entrepreneurship concept. So that would be my biggest takeaway.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks a lot.